This is how you upload a work sample to the spreadsheet. Start by opening the students folder. Open the work samples folder. Now we're going to upload the work sample that we already have saved in our computer. To do that, click on the plus new button, select the file upload, locate the document that you want to upload, select it, click open. It takes a few seconds to upload. You can close the window on the upper right, on the lower right hand side. Right click on the assignment, select get link, click copy link, click on done, go back to the spreadsheet, place the cursor inside the cell that you want to paste the link in, right click, select insert link, paste the link by pressing the Control V keys. Now we're going to label the assignment. So this is a assignment 27A for government. Then click apply, and there you have it.